That's one good thing about Fridays, apart from being the end of the week and the weekend off, it's an early finishing work for me. So instead of coming home and relaxing, I've done some strimming around the garden, and I've just removed the scraper bar off the road roller. I've just chiseled off the one plate, which is quite good. It's not bad at all, that one. The other plate is it's not too clever. As you can see, it's bent. It's not too good at all. So the weekend's plan for this roller is to do some welding on the fuel tanks, sort this out. I may have to make a couple of new plates up, I don't know yet. I've had a lot of messages asking me about how do you free the brakes up on one of these. This particular one, the problem was down there. Zoom in a bit. See, you've got like an anchor point there for the brake bands. That was seized solid, along with the bush next to it, which the shaft runs between the two rolls. So they were pretty well seized. How I overcome it, took the grease nipples out, pumped diesel in and left it for the day. Then pumped grease in, warmed it through, warmed all the bushes through, and kept moving back and forth until they actually freed up. Same as with the pedal. That's on the spring now, so the brakes are actually working fine. So it's basically a persistence, heat, release oil, diesel, lubrication, and sheer brute force in this case. I had to use a bar and a 6-foot scaffolding tube to actually start to free the arm off, because it hasn't done many hours. There was no lack of clearance, lack of use caused the shaft in the bushes to seize up. So it's going well. It's a very enjoyable job, this one is. So the plan is to sort out this scraper bar. It's really knackered. The other one, I fabricated a new one actually. Even the plates are fully adjustable. I made a new one up, and it looks like I got to do this to that one. I'm waiting for some super glue to come for the sprinkler on the far left side. She's fractured. I've cleared these out. I've cleared them out, and I've actually put a new pipe in now. This pipe is going to be plumbed into the tank underneath. It's just tied up for safety. And after the welding's been done on the tank, a couple of pinholes in the tank. The engine sounds like an old barge. It's really nice. The lights are working now, indicators. I'm quite pleased with that. There's a massive clean-up job there, a bit of welding, as I said before, underneath the windscreen. It's going to pump water now, clean water there. Got the lights. She's sounding nice. Charging, all the lights are working. Wiper working. The beacon. She's flattening the concrete up front here. So that's the plan for the weekend, is to sort the scraper bar out. Hopefully I can finish the plumbing off, repair the filter water tanks, test the water system, maybe do a bit of welding on the cab, and then it's paint preparation time. So till next time.